This is a quick video for the operations unit of business studies, and it's looking at inventory control. And what we're going to be doing within this video is actually creating an inventory control chart based on David and his new coffee shop, which is called Fair Coffee. So we can see that they've got the maximum stock level, minimum stock level, reorder quantity level, and the quantity used per month, and it also gives you a lead time for delivery of the coffee beans, which is approximately 1 month. So with all this information, we can create a stock control chart for this company. So the first thing we need to do is draw the axis. Now on the vertical axis, we do it based on the stock level, and on the horizontal axis, we do it based on time. So just as a reminder, they said that they predicted it would be up to about 6 months of operations. So I've done it up to 6 months on the obviously the horizontal axis, and on the vertical axis the maximum stock level is 500 kilograms. So obviously that might mean that that's all that's their current capacity, maybe within the storage of this coffee shop. They cannot stock anything higher than 500 kilograms. So again, I've just gone up to 500. So the first thing I've done is I've just highlighted I suppose the most straightforward aspects of this chart, and it tells you within the information in the case study. So I've done the maximum stock level of 500 kilograms, so that's done. I've done the minimum stock level, which is also known as the buffer stock, of 200 kilograms, so that's done. And I've also done the reorder quantity level of 350 kilograms, so that's done. Now the next stage is the more challenging part of this stock graph, but we have to remember what the lead time was, and the lead time was a month. So we have to take that into consideration when we're drawing the next part. So what I've drawn here is we can see that from the first part, if I just highlight that obviously the maximum stock level is 500, the minimum stock is 200, so we can see that the reorder quantity is 300. Simply 500 divided by 200 equals 300. So we've done that bit here as well, so I'll tick that off. Again, we can see the lead time as well. So if I highlight it here, when it hits to this point, 350 kilograms, and they reorder the stock, then we see that when the stock arrives, so that's 1 month, stock arrives on the second month, as we can see, because it instantly goes up to the maximum stock level again. So we can see the lead time of 1 month. And also, if we think about it from this point here, so at 350 here, what's used during that month? Well, we've got 350 minus 200, which gives us 150. So again, we can tick that off. So we've ticked all the boxes, but now we just have to do it for every month. So it should finally look like this. So we can see that for each reorder point, it takes a month of lead time, and then the stock arrives and it goes back to its maximum stock level.